The following is brought to you by the law offices of Sammer Habas.
Well, you want to make sure in your insurance policy, first and foremost, of course, that you have coverage for the third party. You have to remember that the third party coverage will cover you if you are the party that's at fault. So you want to maintain enough coverage to cover the other party's medical expenses and their injury claims. Furthermore, your own policy will offer you the option of buying what's called uninsured, underinsured motorist. And we strongly recommend that, especially in the state of California where many of the drivers are uninsured. So the way that works is that if you're involved in an auto accident with a party that's at fault and that party doesn't have insurance, your insurance company will step in as the third party into your case. So if that party is uninsured, you go to your own insurance company, make a claim up to the value of the policy you've purchased. We advise that you purchase at least a $100,000 minimum policy to cover your injuries. You need to meet the state requirement of having a $15,000, $30,000 aggregate policy. However, we recommend that you have a policy that's larger than that. The reason being is that if you own an asset and you only have coverage of $15,000, you're subjecting yourself to being sued beyond the insurance policy and having somebody levy or lien your asset and taking something that belongs to you. If you have the appropriate amount of insurance coverage to cover the amount of assets that you have, you've placed yourself at low risk of that being done. You'd also want, on your coverage, you also want to get medical pay coverage. It gives you a certain amount of money that your insurance company will pay you to obtain medical treatment. That way, in the event that you can't afford your medical treatment or you're unable to get a doctor that will wait on their payment, your medical pay coverage will pay for that amount. We recommend at a minimum that you obtain at least $5,000, which is that's a minimum number. The more you have, the better. If your injuries require medical treatment that exceeds $5,000, you'll have your insurance company pay for a number above that point. If you feel you may have a claim, call the law office of Sammer Habas today at 888-848-5084. We will aggressively pursue your case. We are available 24 hours a day. Let our experienced team fight for you.